I absolutely love beauty advent calendars, and this is such a new fun trend for me. I never had these growing up, so we're gonna get right into this. It's only $5 at Five Below, and it's neutral. You can give this to someone any time of year. It doesn't have to be at the end of the year or for any specific holiday. And we're gonna go through it one by one, see what's inside. I really didn't peek because I like to be surprised with you. So this is number one right here. Just going right in. Ooh, it is glued in there. Oh. Oh, and it's a little tiny set of bath salts. I think that's so adorable. I can't smell it, but it says it's vanilla sugar and it has castor oil in it, so there's some ingredients in here that are not too bad. It does have some fragrance, so if you don't like fragrance, you already know it's vanilla sugar, so I think that's what it's going to smell like. And it's a little tiny dose. I think it's enough for a small bath. And we're gonna open up day two. Ooh, it feels like a giant gumball. Is it a giant gumball? I think my light is too bright. Let's dim that down a little bit. And it feels like a giant gumball right here that I cannot get out. Aren't these all glued in? All right, I got a nail tool as an assistant just to get these out. I don't want to ruin it though. Wow, this is in there. All right, just so you know, there's a bath ball in there and I'm not going to destroy it by getting it out. I need a butter knife to try and get this one out of here. Day three. I like that sound. Oh God. I think this is another super glued in there item. Guys, we need to be able to get the item out of the container. Smoke and mirrors people, Five Below people. You don't want to destroy it to get it out, but I'm having to kind of like pick it out of there. What is this, like a lobster? Goodness. Yeah, these are glued in. I get the purpose of it, but it makes it difficult to come out of the product. So if you get this, give someone a little tool to take it out as well. Like, make it an adventure. Ooh, and this is the Strawberry Bliss Facial Mist. It does have castor oil in it, which is really good for skin. So I think this one is all right. It has one ingredient I don't like for me, propylene glycol. That irritates my skin really badly, but I bet this is going to smell so nice. Let me just test it out. That smells so good. I know I just sprayed it on my face after saying it would probably irritate my skin. I'm gonna spray it on my hair instead. That smells so yummy. Well, I'm liking it as something to spray into the hair to kind of refresh the hair a bit. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing with it, but if propylene glycol does not bother your skin, there's castor oil, which is great for skin. It's also really great for hair, so why not? Yep, this is my new hair mist for a while. It smells fantastic. I love this. This is the hyaluronic acid and rose face wash. Oh, I love that. If there's rose in this and hyaluronic acid, it has glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and rose extract. That's really nice. Something that would be very soothing and very lovely for the skin. So I'm excited to try this one. Here's day five. I feel like it might be some more bath salts, and it is. Oh, that's good, because I think the tiny little bit that they provided is too small, so. It's a Strawberry Bliss bath salt, and it's a good amount to add with the vanilla one. Let's go with day six. Ooh, I love a good eye patch. This is something I've really discovered this year I'm having fun with. And looking at the ingredients, there's a couple of natural extracts, and there's also castor oil, which is really fantastic for the skin, especially that delicate area under the eye. Looks like some type of a lotion. Gonna rip off the doors here. It's a vanilla sugar body lotion. Oh yes, this is the theme. So I love the pink, I love the vanilla sugar. I think it's so perfect for winter or spring. We have a little bit of a Fort Knox things happening here to get into the products. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like brown sugar. Yep, it smells exactly like brown sugar, and it's smooth. This is going to be a nice little body treatment. I like it already. I need to put it on my hand. It looks so dry and dehydrated, so this is going to use already. Yeah, that is a nice scent, and it's a really nice lotion. It's smoothing out my crepey hand that was really too dry. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that until I really took a look. And it absorbed right in. I really like that. And it's an essential oil. I love that. If it has this gorgeous scent, Strawberry Bliss. That is such a great scent already on the product. So let's smell. Oh, it has a nice stopper on there so it's not going to spill everywhere. This smells so good. I think this is a great gift for someone who wants a beautiful Strawberry Bliss. It's like a vanilla strawberry scent, and that bath ball is still in there really strong. I'm not gonna be able to get it out for like days, but we're gonna go with number 9 right next to it. Yeah. Whoa. It's an eye cream that didn't want to come out of the container, and yeah, this is so cute. I love it. It has a couple of really great extracts. Olive fruit extract, which is so nice for the under eye area, and this is going to be a great little addition to my under eye treatments after you use the patches, and then put this on. It's a good size too. And number 10 right here in the middle. I'm just gonna rip these off. Oh, it's a little poof. I love it. It's so cute. It's really tiny, but it's really adorable and cute. Great for travel, and you can kind of dispose of it after a few uses. So it's not too giant, but yeah, that's a perfect little size. Okay, it's another Bath Fizz. It's so adorable. I think this is a strawberry one, and it's gonna smell so nice when I can get it out of the container. Eventually, I'll probably rip this apart and then just pop it out. Yeah, that might be a good idea. This one's big. Yes, a lip mask. These are so fun for plumping your lips. I love that. I can't wait to use this one. It's so adorable. And it has several beneficial extracts. It also has collagen, and that's what you want for plumping up your lips. A boost of collagen. Get that on there. Oh my god, this is going to be so fun. I love this so much. Let's just rip this apart. Those are in there hardcore. There you go. Pop them right out. These two together with the bath salts are going to be an epic bath spa treatment. Put the lip mask on also, and then the under eye, and then have the moisturizer for after the bath. It's going to be like the perfect spa moment. I think this is just really great for one spa treatment, all the items, to really pamper yourself or someone you love. Just give them this gift. It's so perfect for $5. I think this is a really good steal for any time of year, especially like a birthday, an anniversary, anything to celebrate and be like, here, pamper yourself. These things are so fun. I have so much fun opening these advent calendars or beauty calendars, whatever you want to call them. I've had so much fun opening them. I have 2 more to go, and they're going to be coming up next. And I try to lean towards doing beauty products mostly because I mostly do reviews of hair, skin, and nail products and things that just make your body and skin glow head to toe. I have 2 more great ones coming up. The one from CVS, which is one I love every year. It's such a great find. And also I have the one from Trader Joe's coming up, which is the Epic Beauty, like healthier, natural products. If you are more lean toward that, that's the one coming up as well. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do first, but they're both coming up. So if you are curious about all of the advent calendars, I have a folder that I put them all in, or beauty calendars, so you can watch me open them all. And also subscribe, because I have so many more coming up, and a lot of skincare subjects also, because I have so much skincare that I got from all these deals and steals from the end of the year, and I'm going to be sharing with you what ones I love, why I put my money into them, what ones are worth spending money on. I'd love it if you subscribed and liked, and also made a comment. If you have any calendars that you've been opening, or any that you recommend or are curious about, I can put them on my list to get for the following year. If they haven't all sold out, then I'll get some for this year and open those up as well.